Modern lifestyles and dietary habits, including excess intake of alcohol and fatty foods, may lead to weak immune system and cause many regular health problems like cold, cough, headache, and other infections. Introducing Lanature's Herbal Infusion, or Kadar, is an advanced blend formulation with 8 adaptogenic herbs. Turmeric boosts immunity and fights inflammations. Cinnamon, loaded with antioxidants. Clove improves bone health and reduce dental pain. Cardamom improves breathing and oxygen use. Tulsi, good for immunity and digestion. Dry ginger lowers cholesterol. Black pepper, natural antidepressant and improved blood sugar control. Lemon, rich source of vitamin C and lowers stroke risk. No need to mess up your kitchen, you can use it anytime, anywhere. Just dip a bag in a cup of hot water and your Kadar is on the go. 1 cup of Lanature's Herbal Infusion every day is all you need to have a healthy functioning immune system and a healthy life.